Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. Let's start with customization. We have to open the settings and in the list we have to find the display option. Let's tap. Now let's scroll down to localize the night light. We can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and we can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. As I said, we can customize it, just enter this option, and here we've got the intensity switcher. Just by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. We can also schedule it. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time, or from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and none option is the manual option, so you can manually turn it on and off. So this is the whole customization, and if you'd like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to localize this icon, night light. Of course, after tapping on it you can turn it off, and after tapping on it again you can turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.